Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video we have 95 squared and I'm going to show you in 1 minute how to solve 95 squared with just a simple trick or hack I just learned. So follow me as I teach you how to do it. We have our first digit here to be 9. So we take 9 and take the square of 9. The square of 9 gives us 81. So we can write 81 here. 5 is the second, this 5. We square it to give us 25. So we add it, we combine it as I've done 8125. Now the next is multiply this and multiply the exponent as well. So 9 times 5 clearly gives us 45. Then times the exponent, which is 2. So twice of 45 is 90. So we can write 90 here clearly and add a 0 at the end. So now if we sum this up, what are we going to get? 5 plus 0 gives us 5. 2 plus 0 gives us 2. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. So 0 and we bring 1 here. And now 9 comes here. So 95 squared is nothing else but 9025. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.